take a look at this rulers. And we have a bunch of sets of lines here, but there's only one place to make a cut.
Right.
And then over here on the side, there are also some little marks. Those help you trim it. The top of this curve has to fit right there. And you're like,
this isn't gonna work.
This ain't never gonna work. And it's easy, guys. Start here and you get those couple stitches in it, and maybe about a 1/2 inch. And at that point, you're gonna start pulling it.
I've taken a few stitches, pulled this on top. This is why we're not pinning. And we just ease that in as we sew straight, all right?
This is on 1.5 inches, and this is on your orange dot. And it's hard to see, but it is right there.
Okay.
So there's my orange dot. And then this little piece is going to become right there. You're gonna be like,
oh
I
my,
just
wow,
did that.
I just did that.
I just
yes,
did that.
Exactly.